What's up?
I'm in a hurry, bro. I ain't doing nothing wrong. Come on now.
Two, 3 of 91? 94, right?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, stop, bro! B42 subject stop Phoenix in Yosemite. B42, I'm taking shots. Responsible is a WMA, black hoodie, khaki pants. We are heading eastbound Glendale, approaching Perry. He's on a bike taking off. Now we are southbound Perry, going to Yosemite. He has a beanie on. Now we are in front of the businesses between Perry and Phoenix.
I'll be in front of the business between Perry and Phoenix.
He took approximately 4 shots.
Approximately 4 shots.
Can you get Air 101, please?
Jenna.
He's coming up to Phoenix now from Yosemite. Unit right there.
Zoomboard, heading left down and Zoomboard.
Left overhead, down to 10 more.
Ace. Shots fired. He's down. Start 11:41. Cut 3. Let me see your hands. Keep your hands in the air. Do not move. All right.
Where's the gun at?
Where's the gun at?
I want one over there. I want the rest over on my side.
Do you have a shield in your car?
I don't. Whatever you do, do not reach for the gun.
Hey, you reach, you're gonna get shot again. Don't reach. Got rifle? Somebody got rifle? Wayne's working on the shield right now.
Yeah, I ever got the shield. Just grabbing it.
I'm playing fire with
God for a second. Okay. No shield.
No shield?
Anybody in this car have a shield? Anybody? Hold on, Siri.
Where's the gun at?
I don't know. He might have dropped on it. Where'd you drop it? Okay, keep your hands in the air. Do not reach for anything.
Overhead, we only have...
Come in.
Which direction? We're at the June bugs, heading westbound on June bugs.
Westbound from June bugs.
Scott will have it overhead. It's coming out to San Juan, heading northbound. Northbound direction on San Juan.
I'll be northbound of Route 1.
Continuing northbound San Juan, approaching Miller.
Northbound San Juan, approaching Miller.
Squad 1, he's extending his arm out. He just took the alleyway, going northbound the alleyway.
Northbound the alleyway.
Shots fired. He's down, start 1141 code.
Shots fired, 1141.
39. We've got multiple units here. Slowdown incoming. We're facing northbound. He's thrown out on the ground. He has been shot.
Do not move. Where's the gun at?
Oh, I got this.
Give me the shears. Here, give me shears. I got it. Hey, roll them all the way over. Make sure the gun's still not underneath them. Give me some light.
Hold on, this is gonna hurt just a little bit, but
Hey, give me a couple more lights, please.
Roll you over, I can't roll on this arm, bro.
Okay. All right.
keep it chilling, Don.